take a tour here at Nature's View Resort, Porac, Pampanga. Upon entering at the resort, bubungad na sa inyo itong kanilang wide landscape which give an expression that you are in a paradise that will give you a relaxing experience. This is the way going to their receiving or their reception area. Tignan nyo naman yung reception area nila. Looks modern and very aesthetic. It is equipped with big round chair for waiting guests, table set for their clients or business-related meetings, and it also have receiving area if you have some needs or inquiries about the resort. After the reception area, bubungad na sa inyo itong hagdan pababa sa kanilang pool area. And at the middle going down to the pool area, meron naman sila nitong outdoor dining set na pwedeng tambayan or mag-chill-chill if di nyo treat mag-swimming. There you have it guys, the infinity pool with mountain view. The staff said that the pool is not chlorinated. Ibig sabihin, wala siyang halong chlorine at ang tubig na nagsisirculate sa pool is natural and fresh came from the mountain. O diba, nakaka-relax ng view, nakaka-feeling fresh pa ang tubig. Habang nag-e-enjoy ka sa fresh water ng pool, napakasarap din magmuni-muni habang nakatanaw ka sa napakagandang view from your left to your right. Tatlo nga pala ang pool nila sa part na to ng resort. They have it for kids, for teens and young adults, and the lap pool. They also have pools na provided exclusively sa other villas ng resort. Syempre, for the convenience of the guest, sa gilid lang ng pool area, they have toilet rooms and an outdoor shower area. Napaka-aesthetic talaga nitong outdoor shower area nila. Of course, a male toilet room na separated from female toilet room. Their toilet rooms are equipped with bidet and a wash basin with mirror. Bukod sa relaxing and refreshing, Nature's View Resort also have a wide function hall for any kind of events such as birthdays, weddings, christenings, company outings, or any event that comprises big number of people. Sobrang luwag talaga nitong function hall nila. It has kitchen or a place where you can prepare the food. So, if you're looking a close to nature themed event place, Nature's View Resort is the best choice for you. Sa baba naman itong function hall, there is a gazebo na pwede mo ulit tambayan o pwede rin namang mag-pictorial for your social media post. Still, very relaxing pa rin ang view sa spot na to. Let's go to some other areas ng resort. Dito naman sa part na to located ang mga exclusive villas ng resort. These villas are good for large capacity guests like family and barkadas. Anyway guys, iba-iba nga palang type of accommodation ang ina-offer nila dito sa Nature's View. This villa is look like a bungalow house. At itong villa na to, meron siyang sariling pool. Guests from other type of accommodation, for example, the kubo type, is not allowed to swim here. This pool also looks like an infinity pool with fascinating view. O diba, solong-solo mo ng pool pating view. Depende yan sa choice of accommodation mo. Siyempre, ang most frequently asked ng marami, kung meron nga bang parking space si Nature's View. Of course, meron guys, at sobrang lawak at madaming parking space si Nature's View. Let me show you guys the loft type villa kung saan kami nagstay overnight. This is good for a maximum of 15 packs. Sobrang ganda dito guys at meron tong veranda na may 360 degree full view ng buong resort at ibang part ng Porac.